Want to play Xbox games instantly without downloads? Let's enable cloud streaming on your Xbox Series X. First, make sure your console is updated to the latest system software and that you have a stable internet connection, ideally over 20 megabytes for smooth gameplay. Next, head to the Xbox dashboard, open the Game Pass app, and look for the little cloud icon next to the supported titles. That means the game is available for cloud streaming. If you find it like this, that means it's not available for cloud streaming. Select the game, hit play with cloud gaming, and your Series X will stream it directly without installing. You can also pair a controller and jump right in. If you want remote play, enable remote features under settings and then devices and connections and then remote features. This lets you stream your Series X to your phone, PC, or even another device. And we've made a tutorial about this before. You can see it in the eye icon on the top of the screen in the top right. And that's it. Cloud streaming on Xbox Series X lets you have storage and play instantly anywhere. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.